And then getting really down into the nitty gritty of it, maybe you're taking on some union work, or you became a union shop, or, maybe you are running a certified payroll for the first time, you're doing some governmental work, that kind of thing. You're going to need a system that can handle that type of payroll. It's very important. I made another video with Lisa Hutt, regarding, workers' compensation, for instance, and that conversation stemmed into really the fact that, contractors who do payroll in-house are oftentimes, more satisfied with their results and in their ability to report than contractors who don't.